Hello, I'm Garen Baghsarian. I prepared this video to show you the power of bubbles. It's a very easy experiment, so feel free to try it. What you need for this experiment is 2 teaspoons of sugar, 3 teaspoons of yeast, 150 milliliters of hot water, a plastic bottle, a teaspoon, a funnel, and a balloon. 2 teaspoons of sugar and 3 teaspoons of yeast in the bottle. Second step, put the 150 milliliters of water in the bottle. Third step, place the balloon on the bottom. And wait for 30 minutes. It has been more than 30 minutes, and as you can see, the balloon has inflated. I'm going to explain why it inflated. Yeast is a microscopic fungus which consumes sugar and releases carbon dioxide. The numerous bubbles of this gas rise to the surface, causing the liquid to foam and the balloon to inflate. In chemistry, this process is called fermentation. This particularly chemical reaction involves the release of ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Now that we performed the experiment, it's time to write the word and balance chemical equations. We'll start with the word one. Now that we performed the experiments, it's time to write the word and balance chemical equations. Now that we performed the experiments, it's time to write the word and balance chemical equations. There are actually 2 reactions happening. The first reaction is the reaction between sucrose and water in the presence of yeast enzymes to produce glucose. It's time to write the word equation. Now the balanced chemical equation. The formula of sucrose is C12H22O11. The formula of water is H2O and the formula of glucose is C6H12O6. Now the second reaction, which is the decomposition of glucose. So glucose decomposes into ethyl alcohol plus carbon dioxide. Now the balanced chemical equation. The formula of glucose is C6H12O6. The formula of ethyl alcohol is C2H5OH. And the formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. There are 12 carbons in the reactant, but only 6 in the product. So, if we add a 2 here, there are 12 carbons in the products too. There are 22 plus 2, 24 hydrogens in the reactant, and also 24 in the products. There are 12 oxygens in the reactants, and also 2 times 6, 12 in the products. So this is balanced. There are 6 carbons in the reactants, but only 3 in the products. If we add a 2 here and the 2 here, there are 4 plus 2, 6 carbons in the products too. There are 12 hydrogens, and 2 times 5, 10, plus 2, 12 in the products. There are 6 oxygens in the reactants, and also 2 plus 4, 6 in the products. So it's balanced.